You've reached the top of your sport climb. You're the last climber and it's your job to clean it. You've threaded through the anchor or clipped into the drop-ins and you've cleaned your gear off the anchor. You're ready to lower and you plan to clean the quick draws on the way down. But it's overhanging. At some point, you won't be able to reach the draws from where you're dangling in space. What can you do? Simply clip yourself to the portion of the rope that runs between the belayer and the anchor. As you lower down the rope, your tether keeps you close to the wall so you can reach the draws as you go down. You'll want a shorter tether so the draws are within arm's reach. A quick draw is ideal. If you can reach the top draw on the way down, you can use that as your tether after you clean it. On more severe overhangs, you may not be able to reach the top draw. You can use the anchor slings or anchor draws that you just cleaned, or your personal anchor sling on a short setting. If neither of those is an option, like your anchor is a long quad or your personal anchor sling is long and not adjustable, you'll need to plan ahead and carry an extra quick draw with you when you climb. Now, watch Sarah as she demonstrates this technique. As you lower, your tether keeps you tracking along the rope. As you progress down, you'll see that gravity pulls you back toward the vertical plumb line, but you are still clipped to the rope leading to the belayer, so you can pull on that rope to pull yourself toward the wall to reach the draws. Here's a word of caution. Be sure to clip your tether draw to your harness on a weight-bearing attachment like your belay loop or hard points. Do not just clip it to the rope tied into your harness. Here, our climber demonstrates what happens if you make this mistake. Notice how the draw rides up the ropes as you swing out into the plumb line. That draw does you no good and doesn't pull you toward the wall at all.